Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create databases in Appwrite step by step. Appwrite databases let you store, organize, and manage your application's data securely, making it easy to build dynamic web and mobile apps. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project where you want to create a database. Once you're inside the project, look at the left-hand menu and click Databases. Next, click the Create Database button. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your database so it's easy to identify later, especially if your project contains multiple databases. After entering the name, click Create to continue. Once the database has been created, you'll need to add a collection or table, depending on your Appwrite version. This is where your application records will be stored. Create the collection, then define the attributes or fields you want to use, such as text, numbers, dates, or Boolean values. After setting up your fields, configure the database permissions to control who can read, create, update, or delete data. This step is important for keeping your application's information secure and ensuring users only access the data they're authorized to see. Finally, use the Appwrite SDK in your application to connect to the database and begin creating, reading, updating, and deleting records through the available database APIs. And that's it. You now know how to create databases in Appwrite and prepare your backend to store application data efficiently and securely. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next